So this is a very first display, and as you can see this black line, when I'm rotating this knob, this one is moving, you can see, right? So whichever option you want to change, just go to that option and press enter, and afterwards you can enter various data. Okay, so here also you can see various images. One is the home image, another is probe image. So after entering all the data, let's say very first we are not entering the patient name now. Okay, so enter name, then you have to select the I, OD or OS. It is on OD by default. If you want to change it to OS, just press this arrow, it will be left eye now. Again you want to change, again it will be right eye. Clear? Once it is done, move next. Next option is lens. So option is cataract and patient is normal, but we have to change it to the phakic or the normal. Here is a normal option. Various options we are having. One is cataract, one is normal, another is aphakic, then is PMMA. PMMA is polymethyl methacrylate if IOL is implanted. Another is silicon IOL is implanted, or silicon oil is there, sorry. Okay, so you have to choose that option. Acrylic lens is there, you have to choose that option. Okay, whatever is the condition of the patient, accordingly you have to choose the option here. So we are going to choose the normal one only. Okay, once it is done, move the knob next. So here is a gain. There is something written gain. Gain means with how much intensity the sound waves are going inside. So we know the principle of the A-scan is based upon sonar principle, SONAR. If you have ever heard about it, sonar is taken from one of the animal, marine animal, that is dolphin. Dolphin uses the sonar system, that is a natural system present in dolphin. The dolphin can assess the sound waves from a very far distance, that her prey is coming, anything is there, any obstruction is there. So dolphin can change its mode, right? Dolphin किधर से इधर उधर हो जाता है by knowing all the sound waves. So same thing by touching the probe, what we are doing, हम sound waves को patient की eye में भेज रहे हैं. We are sending the sound waves in the patient's eye. So wherever those sound waves are going to strike, there they will be giving the spikes. Getting my point? वो spikes कैसे आ रहे हैं? Why spike? We are seeing the spike on the cornea, on lens, or on the retina, right? Because when the sound waves are striking somewhere, they are giving these spikes. Clear? If there will be any obstruction, any opacity in the vitreous, sound waves will also strike on the opacity, and that we will be able to see here as well. Clear? So after putting gain ideally we are keeping 70%. If you think patient is having mature cataract, we have to increase the gain to 80-90 depending upon patient's lenticular condition. Clear? Ideally we are keeping it at 70 or 75%. So it is on 70 by default, we are not going to change it. If you want to change it, move to this option, press the arrow, and it will be keep on changing. Okay, so I'll be keeping it as 70 only. So moving next, there is option is one is continuous and another is manual. Mode, this is a mode, continuous mode and manual. So if I'm turning it on the continuous, means when I'll be touching the probe on patient's cornea, I have to keep my hand stable. It will continuously take around 10 readings. Okay, if I'm turning it to the manual, so every time I have to touch on the cornea, I have to select the reading. I have to take and select the reading. So you cannot do that. Obviously, every time you will be touching, there can be a little bit difference in the placement of the probe. So simply select it on the continuous mode, okay, and go ahead. So then next, so when you will move from continuous, when you will rotate this knob, it will directly go on AL. AL is axial length. Okay, so means this is the time we have to measure the axial length. After going at this option, we are going to press this probe button. Here you can see the image. Okay, in the video you can see afterwards. Here is a probe and here is a button. Simply press this button. If you will press this button carefully, just look here, this spike, or this meter is showing some fluctuations. It means your probe is ready to take the readings. I am pressing it off, again it stopped. Okay, so before going ahead, make sure to clean the probe properly. Okay, so here we are having this sterilium. Ideally there are some different pads available for probe. We have to clean the probe just for 5 to 10 seconds. Just keep it so that it should dry. Okay, so there is the alcohol, okay, with which we are cleaning the probe. Instill the paracaine in patient's eye. Okay.